Tonight we're running on the right track. I know we never gonna look back.
Hey everybody, and welcome back to the crochetcrowd.com here YouTube channel. Hey, are you looking for a video tutorial that you want me to do? Well, I actually do take requests if you didn't know that. So I put a link in the more information on this video and in the comments, and you'll be able to actually figure out how to get a hold of me in order to do it. Now, you'll be filling out a form when you get there, and what this is doing is it's filling in the details just so that you just don't say, oh, I want a blue blanket. It gives me specific detail. Now, just be keeping in mind that I can't just film everything. So it has to actually be one of my designs, or it can be from the index of yarnspirations.com. You can actually take a look at those. If you have anything that you would like me to do, you can let me know. If you're asking for a design, that's a completely different monster. My blankets take me about 170 hours to design because I like to design and do all my own stitch work. So if that's something that interests you, just follow the link in the more information of this video and you'll be able to make a request and I'll be reviewing it. And I actually do take a look at those before I move on to anything else. That's right. See ya, and thanks for being part of the Crochet Crowd.